Hi, I'm Terry. I've lost 175 pounds with keto and carnivore. Thank you for watching. Hello, here's my macros. Have a good night, you all. Hey there, we have to figure out what we're going to do tomorrow. But before we do, look. It's Snoopy. He says just one more dog. I promise. Yes, just like me. I wanted just one more puppy dog. I just wanted one more. Just one more, ain't that right, Looper-Doo? Just one more dog. Okay, back to the food. So I'll have my egg and rutabaga for breakfast. I pulled out LR. That was LR mash. What was that? I'm sure that was something in rutabaga mash. What was the L? Can't tell. Well, I have it out, and then I've got the 5%. So I'm sure that's meant to go together. So yeah. So hang on. I'm gonna look and cheat and look at my daily and see what LR stands for. Tell you, I mark these things and plug them in so then I can know later. Okay, so as of this moment, it was loaded rutabaga mash. So that's what that was. And then 75%, 73% ground beef. So let me get all this together to take tomorrow. All right. My keys are in there. So I got my ground beef. And I'm going to put this loaded rutabaga mash into a Ziploc bag just to protect myself. I'm probably not going to share that with my coworkers because I'm not bringing anything extra along. They don't have to taste everything. And then I'm going to put, this morning I forgot my spoon. I don't need a fork, but I need a spoon. Hello, I just put that ground beef in here, big as life, with no seasoning. Let me put the steak away. Hang on. Okay. Yeah, big as life. I did not even put seasoning on it. Let's see. What are we going to do? Let's go with some... I'm going right here. This is my... Oh, you can kind of see. It's far away, but this middle row, that's all my Indians type flavor. I'm taking more gum to work tomorrow, so I'm going to put those in there. All right. Now, let me zoom in a little bit because I'm back over here out of the way. Okay. So, I've got some ground ginger. I'll have to remember this is only 5 ounces and not 8 ounces, so I don't need to add as much as I usually do. This is curry. Some cumin, some garam masala, some smoked paprika, and some ground turmeric. And I'm going to add some sesame seeds for good measure, because I like them. Alright, and salt, because there was no salt in any of those things. They're just seasonings. So, got to have some salt. Alright. Alright, so I'll put this in here. Got my spoon in here. I'm going to have my soup in here. Or my mash in there. And there we go. I'm going to pop this in the refrigerator. And I might have a salad or something with supper, but that's going to be my breakfast and lunch tomorrow. Bye. Good morning. It's breakfast time. Got my eggs and rutabaga. Same thing every day. I don't have to show it every day, really, but I am. So, okay, see you at lunchtime. Here's some randomness. I've been taking this stuff called Ginkgo biloba. And just for memory. And I've been taking it probably about 2 weeks, and at bedtime, I take it about 7 o'clock. Well, it's past 4 or 5 days, I noticed that I've been dizzy. Like at nighttime, I lay down and it's kind of like takes a couple seconds for the room to catch up to me. And then in the mornings, or well, in the middle of the night when I go to the bathroom, I kind of hang on to the wall because I feel a little bit unsteady. So today it's worse, and I got to looking, and that Ginkgo biloba is a vasodilator, which means it expands your blood vessels. Well, in doing that, it's increasing the blood flow to your brain, so that helps your memory. Well, that's great, but it expands the blood flow, or expands the vessels throughout your whole body. So what happens is you vasodilate, or you get hypotension. So you stand up and your blood pressure will drop. Anyway, that's been going on for the past few days, and I was in there in a work meeting, and it was a Zoom call. So, this person talks and that person, and your eyes track whoever's talking. Oh man, that threw me for a loop. So I'm like, y'all, I gotta go home. So anyway, I talked to my mom the whole drive home just to make sure I didn't have a wreck or anything, and she knew where I was at. And so I'm at home. I got my sleep cap on, obviously, and I'm gonna lay down and see if I can settle things down. I definitely pulled that pill out of my pill box. So if you if you decide you want to take Ginkgo biloba, just remember it's a vasodilator. So that means it increases the blood flow. But if you don't have a whole lot of fluid in your body, it will work like it'll give you dehydration symptoms, dizziness, lightheadedness, hypotension, and positional hypotension. So yeah, there you go. So I am at home and laying down so that I don't have to worry about my eyes looking one way or the other way and things not catching up to me. Okay, see you later. Just thought I'd update you. Bye. I feel drunk. And if you ever hear me say I'm having trouble with my memory, and I tell you I'm gonna take Ginkgo biloba, you tell me no. It's just weird. I've been taking it for 2 weeks, and that's literally the only new thing I've added. Y'all see, I eat the same thing, I drink the same thing, I do the same thing. I don't know what the deal is, man. It's just weird. It's just zoom, 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 zoom. So, yeah, I'm gonna eat my lunch right now. Is that 73%? I made up. And loaded rutabaga. Hang on. Ow. I better just let it cool. Hold on. Cheers. So that's my lunch today. And I've just been laying down, because when I'm standing up, it's like I look this way and the world catches up. Look this way and the world catches up. It's just weird. Don't let me ever take that Ginkgo biloba again. Never, never, never. Okay, bye. Hey there, it's supper time. Definitely feeling better. The longer that med's out of my system, the better I'm feeling. So I took it out of the pill box, so I won't be having that anymore. And again, if I ever tell you all and complain about my memory, and then I say, I think I'm going to add some Ginkgo to my thing, tell me no. Remind me of this. Remind me of today. Ugh. It was awful. It felt like I had one of those scopolamine patches on while I was on the cruise. They're nice because it keeps you from getting seasick. But man, they keep you kind of dizzy and lightheaded and just off. So that's how I was feeling with that. Now, let's get us a salad going. Hang on just a second. Okay. I've got some cabbage. Throw this out. Sorry, my camel's over there drinking. Hold on, let me show. That's who it is. Every time. Yeah, I'm talking about you, boy. But now you know who it is. So, all right. So cabbage, 108. Onions. Onions. Okay. Onions, 22. Jicama. I'm just going to finish this off. I don't know what it's going to be, but we're going to finish it off. It's kind of been in the refrigerator a while and probably needs to be finished off. Okay. That's 33. Red peppers. It's funny, I'm going down the list, and these are all things that I had already had on here last time. So, zero it out. So 40 grams of red peppers. And cut it up a minute. Okay. So red peppers. Okay, so Walden Farms. So I got some Thousand Island. I'll zero it out with the fork in it. So I need 30 grams. My microwave's telling me it's done. So 30 grams. Okay, that's a steak. And then have some Honey Dijon Skinny Girl. We'll just finish it off, and whatever it is, 20. Okay, 20. Celery. I'm going to do 2 stalks. Zero it out. Toot, 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 toot. Okay, so 100 grams of celery. Sun-dried tomatoes. Hold on. Okay, so now sun-dried tomatoes. Forgot I had it in a Ziploc bag. Oh, I'm just going to finish it off. So, 20. That's 4 servings, just so you know. And, let's see, 2 more. So, cucumbers. I'm going to use this slotted spoon. I'm sure I'll get more than cucumbers, but I'm not going to. That's fine. Take the weight of it. Okay, 80. And then last thing, I forgot I had these. This is banana peppers. Me and the pet. I just want to put just a couple of them in here. Zero it out. Just adds a little extra twang to the flavor. Okay. 20, 25. All right. So we're having this salad and then the steak bites that I just microwaved. And that's going to be my supper. So hang on, let me get everything plugged in. My calories were a little bit low, so I added 3 servings of bacon bits, bacon pieces. So, and then another serving of, a serving of the Walden Farms Chipotle salad dressing. So that's what I'm having, steak bites and a salad. And I'll show you my macros. Have a good night, guys.